The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this video tutorial on how to create a Moodle database. The database activity allows instructors and students to create, display, and search a bank of content. The database can include text entries, images, checkboxes, numbers, URLs, and files. To create your database, follow the steps demonstrated on this video. On your course page, click Turn Editing on. Locate the section where you want to add the database and click Add an activity or resource. Select Database from the activities list. Under the General Settings, type the name a required field and the description an optional field. Under the Entries settings, Approval Required allows you to require that an instructor approve each entry before other students can view it. Allow Comments on Entries allows users to comment on each other's entries. Note, the Comments option will display when users view entries individually, but not when viewing a list of all database entries. Entries required before viewing: the number of entries a student must submit before they can see entries by other students. Maximum number of entries: the maximum number of entries a student can submit before they are blocked from adding more. Under the Availability settings, enable the Required Date settings. Available from and to allows instructors to set when the database will be opened and closed. Read only from and to, from which instructors can set the database to be available to students to view it while disabling entries. Under the Rating settings, to enable ratings, choose one of the 5 aggregate types. Average of ratings, which calculates the mean of all ratings. Count of ratings. The number of rated items becomes the final grade. Note that the total cannot exceed the maximum grade assigned for the activity. Maximum. The highest rating becomes the final grade. Minimum. The smallest rating becomes the final grade. Sum. Sums up each student's ratings as their final grade. Note that the total cannot exceed the maximum assigned grade for the activity. Note, if no ratings is selected, the activity will not appear in the gradebook. Once you finish setting up the database, scroll down and click Save and Display. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Please do not hesitate to contact us for any further support. Please watch our next video about adding content to the database, titled How to Set Up Entry Fields.